Hey everyone, welcome back to Math Coach Corner from Math Defined. I'm Mrs. C. Today we're diving into how to solve word problems using the percent equation. The equation we'll be using today is P times W equals A, where P stands for the percent, W stands for the whole, and A represents the part. Let's jump right into our first example. A salesperson receives a 2.5% commission on sales. What commission does a salesperson earn for $8,000 in sales? First, let's diagram the problem clearly. 2.5 is the percent. The whole, or W, is the total amount of sales, $8,000. We're looking for how much commission the salesperson earned. This is the part. Now plug these values into our percent equation. 2.5% times 8,000 equals A. Before we multiply 2.5% to 8,000, we need to convert the percent into a decimal by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left to get 0.025 times 8,000 equals A. Multiplying these two values results in 200. So the salesperson receives $200 in commission. Great job! Nice work on that one. Now let's tackle a slightly trickier example. Your school reached 125% of its fundraising goal. The school raised $6,750. What was the goal? Let's diagram first. The percent is 125. The whole is the school's goal. And the part is how much the school actually raised, $6,750. Plugging these values into our percent equation, we have 125% times W equals $6,750. To solve for W, first we need to convert this percent into a decimal number. To get 1.25 times W equals 6,750. Then we divide each side by 1.25, resulting in W equals 5,400. So the school's goal was $5,400, and they beat that goal by $1,350. How awesome was that? You're doing great. Let's finish strong with our final example. The sales tax on the model rocket shown is $1.92. What is the percent of sales tax? Let's diagram this. This problem is asking us to find the percent. The whole is the cost of the rocket, $24, and the part is the dollar amount of sales tax, $1.92. Plugging this information into our percent equation, we get P times 24 equals $1.92. We'll solve for P by dividing both sides by 24. P equals 0.08. To write this number as a percent, we need to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So the percent of sales tax is 8%. Great job! Well, that's it for today's Math Coach Corner. You've learned how to diagram and solve percent word problems using our handy equation. Percent times the whole equals the part. With practice, you'll master this in no time. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. The more likes we have, the more people we can reach out to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Keep being math awesome.